Hey guys, my name is Jim of the Dead. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to some more Warhammer content. Today we're going to take a look at the latest issue of Mortal Realms magazine, as it is Wednesday, and Wednesday seems to be Warhammer Wednesday these days. So yeah, let's take a look. Right, so in this week's issue number 4, you've got a pot of Nikolai Oxide technical paint, which is good for you painting up all your Nighthaunt armies, your ghosts, giving everything a bit of a weathered look for metals as well, which is pretty cool. You've got 4 Glaivewraith Stalkers with their own individual modelled bases as well, so you can get them looking to fit into the armies that you've already got. Magazine issue number 4, of course, and a larger playmat to kind of get you going in the game as well. Right, so that's what you're getting in the issue. Let's take a look inside. So inside this week's issue, let's take a look, open it up. You've got your information about the Glaivewraith Stalkers, so giving you a bit more details about those. So of course giving you the information of the once a Glaivewraith is your scent, it is kill or be killed, according to Lord Exorcist Abranus of the Stormcast Eternals. These Glaivewraith Stalkers, they prowl the realms in packs seeking their prey. A bit more information, so you got kind of like a bit backstory to certain ones. So you got Winsome Vroom, who used to be a powerful warlord, used to, after each battle, pursue fleeing enemies, hunt them for sport. When his crimes caught up with him, he was slain in battle. But of course punishment wasn't complete, so he became part of Nagash's Glaivewraith Stalkers. And then you've got Zykan, who once roamed down packs of outlaws, who delighted in running down their victims on horseback, and he was executed for his crimes. And now he's become the death beat drummer of the Glaivewraith Stalkers, and these are your vanguard army for your good old Nighthaunt. Got some information on the Sacrosanct Chambers in the Stormcast Eternals, so all the different warriors of Azir, so, and how they kind of work all the way down. So you've got like from the Lord Arcanum, Lord Exorcists, Lord Ordinators, Knight Incantor, Evocators, Sequitors, Castigators, and the Sacristan Engineers, and all the different conclaves of how the Sacristan work as well. Information in the history of the Necroquake in the Mortal Realms, which was when good old Nagash put into place his plan for the Great Black Pyramid and the dark construct that made him gain more powers again, and he started off the Soul Wars. The aftermath, information about Azir as well here, so the realm of the heavens, which is where the Stormcast come from, and Sigmar himself, and how, just down in the bottom here, how the Skaven kind of became inadvertently part of the Necroquake. Good old Skaven, of course, are more of a chaos army, and they accidentally scuppered some of Nagash's plans with the Necroquake. Bit of artwork there as well, which is pretty cool, which is Sigmar and some of his army and his generals. How to maybe build Glaivewraiths, which will have a video up of that in the very, very near future. And then a bit of information on how to paint with your Nikolai Oxide and how to paint up Nighthaunt. So of course making sure as long as you've got them kind of in that Corax white base paint, like so, then you can just pop that nickel oxide on it and it'll give it a different look, which will give it kind of that ethereal, kind of pale blue, kind of glowish kind of look. Personally, I'm quite possibly not going to be doing that for the entire model, but I will have something very kind of similar when we paint up those Nighthaunt in the very, very near future. Then we've got more of the battle reports as well from here, so for Glaivewraith Ambush here, a bit more of how to play with your Glaivewraiths and stuff like that, and kind of the way that the Glaivewraith will work and their attack patterns and stuff like that, and how they move and how you can fight them with castigators. And then at the very, very end here, you've got a bit of a war scroll information, so it's a bit more information of how units work. So with units, you've got war scrolls here for the actual castigators themselves with their Thunderhead Great Bows and how their Thunderhead Great Bow works. So they can move 5 inches at a time, about 2 damage, and it's a 3+ to hit. You've got your Glaivewraith Stalkers who move 6 inches at a time and are pretty decent. And then you've got information about the additional forces as well, so your Griffhound, your Sequitors, Chain Raspboard, and of course then Miremorn Banshees we've already got. Right, so what are we getting in the next couple of weeks? So next week in issue 5 we've got Zandria Azure Bolt, who's a Knighted Incanter, and more of a hero for the Stormcast Eternals. An exclusive model for the magazine as well, which is pretty cool. It's always nice to have some exclusives. And then the week after you get the Thorns of a Briar Queen and a bit more information about the city of Shadespire. So the Thorns of a Briar Queen, there's 7 models there, including the Briar Queen herself and her cohorts hanging around there, which is one of the packs from the Underworlds game, which I must admit I've already got some. I'll include a photo in the end of this video of how I painted up my original set of these. So yeah, so there's some pretty decent stuff coming. It's still looking pretty decent, the magazine's still working out pretty decent. I mean, you're looking, £8 for this issue, and you're getting a set of models that's like 10 odd quid, 10 or something quid, and nickel oxide, which is another 4 or 5 quid. So pretty decent stuff. Thank you very much for watching. I've been Jim of the Dead. If you've liked the video, please hit like button, hit subscribe, all that good stuff. It all helps out massively, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye now.